Namaskar from TCOL. Today we are going to discuss about our 4 value system, that is connect, collaborate, cooperate and create. For this 4 value system, there is one foundation which we have built is called humbleness, विनम्रता. वो विनम्रता जो हर मेंबर में होगी और सोशल मीडिया में खास, अगर आप विनम्र होंगे तभी आप कोलैबोरेशन कर पाएंगे, तभी आप कोऑपरेशन कर पाएंगे. बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट हम्बल इनफ, यू विल बी नोन अ डे और अनदर. सो वी आर बिल्डिंग अ ह्यूज कम्युनिटी ऑफ लाइक माइंडेड पीपल, those who can be humble, those who can cooperate with each other and can create something which is valuable to each other. So to get this, we are meeting almost every day with so many different kind of people, so many people from various backgrounds, and this one common thing is coming out of their experiences is they have grown by looking at their past, and in the past they may not have been humble, but they have learned these life lessons. So this is the only reason why we are collecting life lessons on our various panel discussions. Many people are asking me why I am doing this. So this is the answer, that we are connecting with experts, those who can share their lifelong experience with the youngsters, and they tell them, along with your technical skills, along with your other skills, self-development or soft skills are equally important. Do not ignore them. And the Circle of Legends is a platform which was providing technical training also before, but then we have found that there are enough avenues for Indian youngsters in specifically to go and find these values somewhere else. So that's why we have started focusing only and only on the soft skill based attributes, which are like humbleness, which are like kindness, which is like openness, abundance. And with these kind of principles, we are going to definitely grow. Your technical skills will help you to be in limelight, in connect with others. Now coming to our contest, which we have arranged from now to 14th. And in these 45 days, we have connected with so many people, and now we are going to increase that intensity. We are going to connect with schools, we are going to connect with parents through them, we are going to connect with grandparents, and going to ask them to submit artifacts. Even we are not going to miss out the professionals, because they have experience, they have real life experience which they can pass to our teenagers, to those who are going to be in a job market very soon. So come be part of this ecosystem and enjoy the fruit of having abundance, having humanity, having better using the technology, or mindfully using the technology for betterment of humanity. With this, I end today's small session. Tomorrow definitely we will come again with a new message. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, और हम्बल बनते हैं, विनम्र बनते हैं.